Let me show you how to answer this chemistry question on the board. The question says, the following are chemical changes except one of them. All these are chemical changes except one of them, that is a physical change. And we are expected to identify that particular one that is a chemical change. And these are the options given. To answer this question correctly, you need to know the meaning of physical change and also chemical change. A chemical change is a kind of change that occurs to a substance in which a new substance will be formed, and we cannot reverse back the process to get the original substance the way it was before. While a physical change is a change that occurs to a substance in which no new substance is being formed, and you can reverse the process to get the original substance back the way it was before. You understand? So what we are looking for now is the one that we can easily reverse back the process to get the original substance how it was before. That is the one that no new substance is being formed. That's what we are looking for here. Let's look at the first one. The first option says passing of steam over heated iron. If you pass steam over heated iron, what will happen? Will there be a reaction? Will a new substance be formed? Or can you reverse back the process? In fact, what is steam? Steam means hot water, water vapor. You understand? If you see this in chemistry, this is water, right? Let me show you something. If you see this, always look at the subscript here, which indicates the state of the water. If you see G like this, it means that is steam, hot water, or water vapor. You understand? Hot water. If you see H2O and then you see S, this S stands for solid. That's to tell you that you are dealing with ice. Ice, which is solid form of water. If you see water, H2O, and you see L, this is liquid, which is cold water. So you have to be taking note of this. Now, if you pass steam, which is the hot water now, over heated iron, this is what will happen. There will be a reaction which will now produce oxides of iron. So there is a new substance being formed, which is oxides of iron. Therefore, this one is a chemical change. There is a chemical reaction there. So it's a chemical change and not a physical change. We are told that all of them are chemical changes except one, which is a physical change. It is that one that we are looking for. Now, let's look at the second option. The solution of sodium chloride in water. Meaning, if you dissolve sodium chloride in water, what is sodium chloride? Sodium chloride is the normal salt you use at home to cook. If you put it inside water and dissolve it, can you reverse back the process, or will there be a new substance formed? Now, if you dissolve sodium chloride, which is the salt you use at home to cook, if you dissolve it in water, no new substance will be formed. And you can reverse back the process to get the original salt. And the question is how? If you heat that mixture, the water will evaporate. If you continue heating it, the water will evaporate to the point that it will completely evaporate and then leave the salt crystals there, the sodium chloride crystal. You see that the salt will begin to appear again. So you see, we can reverse the process to get back the original substance. Therefore, this option B is a physical change. And that is the answer to our question, because we are looking for the physical change here, the one that they can reverse the process to get back the original substance. I hope you find this video helpful.